We're with John Kelly. John is a personal injury attorney in Phoenix, Arizona. He's agreed to answer online questions. This question was specifically related to multiple car accidents as well as comparative negligence. With that said, let's Jack says, I was in a car accident with a number of other vehicles. I was hit from behind, but my vehicle also hit the car in front of me. If it turns out that I was partially at fault, can I still get damages from one or more of the other drivers? He also adds to this, is this what they mean when they talk about comparative negligence?
In Brian's case, it's exactly what they're talking about when they talk about comparative negligence. When multiple vehicles are involved in an accident, we're typically looking at a situation where the insurance company, the police, everyone's going to try to figure out who is at fault for this accident. And sometimes there are multiple parties that were following below the standard of a reasonable person and were negligent in the matter. In this instance, he mentions that he was rear-ended and then was pushed into another vehicle. And to me, that sounds like he wasn't at fault for the accident. So I'm interested in hearing why he was found to be at fault. If he had hit the person in front of him first and then he was rear-ended, or there may be a number of situations. But regardless, if he's found to be at fault for the accident or comparatively at fault, it diminishes the value of his claim somewhat. That doesn't mean you don't have a claim. So if you are found to be somewhat at fault for an accident, you should still speak with a personal injury attorney, talk to them, because they may be able to do some investigation and gather enough evidence to kind of hit the scales, you know, in another way and have them weigh towards your side of the story to the point where you can make a claim out of it. So these are cases that definitely need to be looked at. You can contact an attorney, and I'm willing to give a free consultation on any comparative fault case.
Excellent. Well, if you have any other questions for John, just post them in the comments section below the video on YouTube, and he's agreed to get back and answer any questions you have. Thanks, John.
Thank you. Yeah, you can call me here, Kelly Law Team, 602-283-4122.
Thanks.